Okay, good evening, everyone. We are from the team Project Based Learning, VRPL 512, and today we are going to Mas, ntar Mas lagi Zoom. Ntar. Tutup lah, Mas, yang betul. Good morning, everyone. We are from team Project Based Learning, TRPL 512, and today we are going to present our project titled HOMI, Digital House Service Management System. Uh, Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. So the first is Mr. Ahmad Irwansyah Lubis as a product owner, and then Muhammad Hanif as Scrum Master, Farel Arik Nadil as front-end developer, Sindang Greni as UI UX design, Johan Salau Tapea as back-end developer, Muhammad Ramdhani as a tester. So the first thing is a problem statement and will be presented by Sindang Greni. For Sindang Greni, please.
Residents of Hawaii Garden face issues with non-transparent communication and manual handling of service, complaint, and environments. The management also struggled to deliver information, organize resident data, and monitor service requests efficiently. Next. The home application provides a centralized digital platform that enables residents to access information and service quickly, transparently, and efficiently. It also supports seamless and secure digital payment while helping management organize data and communication more effectively. Next. This slide will present by Farel.
All right. Yeah, this is Line Canvas. Your key metric include the number of active user and the number of resolved report. The cost structure cover apps maintenance, hosting, and training. Revenue comes from small admin fees, voluntary donation, and possible partnership with local vendors.
Okay, this is VR functional. We have 15 functional and we can read together. Next. Okay, this slide we talk about MVP features. For MVP feature, we have our service request form, complaint report, announcement display, digital payment system, resident directory, and status tracking for requests. Next. And this is we are functional. We have 5 non-functional. First, compatibility, security, performance, scalability, and notification. Next. This slide we talk about agile methodology. We use the Scrum framework, which include planning, implementation, review, and retrospective stage. This allows our team to collaborate efficiently and adapt to feedback every sprint. Next. And this slide, we talk about communication plan. To keep our teamwork organized, we follow this communication structure. We use WhatsApp for daily update, Google Meet for a weekly sprint meeting, Trello for tracking tasks, GitHub for version control, Figma for design collaboration, and Google Drive for documentation. This plan ensures fast coordination and transparent communication within the team. Next.
Okay, next I will present sprint backlog and sprint goal. So during our development process, we divided to work into several sprints using the Scrum framework. Each sprint lasts about a week and focus on completing specific features of the home application. In the first sprint, focus on implementing the directory and dashboard page and starting the backend setup for the login feature. And that will get 31 story points. And the second sprint, implementing the account login and logout features and refine the dashboard request and complaint page, and that will be get 30 story points. And the last sprint, continue backend integration for authentication, start validation, payment for administrator, and add an upload payment image, and that will be get 38 story points. And total story points is 99 story points. And this is our sprint review and burn chart. At the end of each sprint, we held a sprint review meeting to demonstrate our progress and gather feedback from the product owner and our manager project. This allowed us to identify what worked well and what needed improvement for the next sprint. Our burn chart shows the team performance during the 4 week sprint cycle. The blue lines represent the ideal progress, while the orange line shows our actual progress. We started with 100 story points, and by day 28, we managed to complete almost everything, leaving only one story point remaining.
Okay, this is our intelligent algorithm. When a user submit a complaint, our system not only store a complaint, but also count in for prioritization. Our system prioritizes complaint based on the number of complaints in the same category. After telling the complaints, our system will provide several recommendations to the admin. The admin can select the recommendation they prefer. Next. And this is the visual representation of our system data, which calculate complaint recommendation. This system can create multiple complaint categories and generate multiple status report for our complaints stored in our system. Next.
Okay, next work plan. After the midterm presentation, our main focus will be to complete and refine the remaining MVP features of the home application, which is directory and history features, service request module, complaint report module, payment integration improvement, and announcement module. And this is our documentation, and this is maybe will be end here. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.